Hey guys, what's up? My name is Carissa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a full-time model, YouTuber, influencer, whatever you want to call it. And on my channel, I do hauls, follow me around behind the scenes, modeling stuff. So if you're into that, then please subscribe, like my video, and stay tuned. In this video, I thought I would share the products that I picked up from Black Friday and Cyber Monday because I got amazing deals and I got really good products for the fall and winter time. So if you want to see that and you want to see a try-on haul, then please keep watching.
Oh, I mean, you know what I mean. Listen. That girl's so crazy, but she gon' have my baby, and she'll probably raise him the way my mama.
Okay, so mostly everything in this haul, except for two items, is from BooHoo. Super inexpensive, and they also have a section called BooHoo Man. So if you like oversized clothing, and if you have a boyfriend or a brother or whatever, it's a great website. I got free shipping, and at the time I think it was like 40% off, but I'm pretty sure everything is still available, and most likely still on sale till the holidays, so definitely check it out in the links below. I'll let you know my sizing. And there's two items in this haul from Princess Polly, which are a little bit more expensive, but I think that I just really wanted high quality in the items that I got. So I will show you those as well. And everything I got in this haul is mainly to layer. So I really needed a restock of like basics, hoodies, sweats, and just things that I can layer for the winter that'll make all my other expensive pieces more elevated. So this is like a great haul to reference if you're trying to like refurbish your winter wardrobe. First thing I'm gonna show you are pants. I got these vinyl pants, which I'll do a try on video right here for everything. So they're vinyl material, which is like shinier than leather, and it kind of does feel like a trash bag, I'm not gonna lie, but a comfortable trash bag. The inside is a different material than the outside, so it's like a standard legging, so it doesn't feel like this on the inside. These are so chic and cool, and I saw Hailey Bieber wearing something like this recently on one of her street style photos, and I had to grab a pair. I didn't want to get something super expensive because I just don't know how long I'm gonna love them, but I think they're amazing with hoodies, oversized crew necks, just layered over any jacket, any hoodie, any sweater. They're kind of like a staple, kind of like a leather legging. And I wear my leather leggings all the time from Topshop, so I figured I had to try these. They were super inexpensive, and I got the tall. The BooHoo has a tall section, thank God. So the length is amazing, and that's the one thing I noticed about these is that they didn't stop above my ankle. They actually reached below my ankle, so they reached to my boots, which is major key at making them look more expensive. And I got a US 6. I will say that the waist on the US 6 is too big for me, so I probably should have got a 4, but I'm probably just gonna wear them anyway, just because I'm not gonna be showing my waistband on these, but I'm just gonna be covering them with hoodies anyway, so yeah, I highly recommend these. Just try to get the right size. I put this piece in the video just because I grabbed it at the Christmas Village down the street from me, and they had these Gildan sweatshirts. Now this brand, I'll link below. You might not be able to find this exact sweatshirt, and I got it in I think this is a men's large. Yeah, men's large. Because it was just like a Christmas Village, and it was like an independent company, I think, that dyed these. But you can find Gildan sweatshirts all over the internet for super inexpensive, way cheaper than you can get them at Urban Outfitters. And the quality is actually amazing. We got 3 pieces for $10. 3 pieces for $20. So that is a steal. Just moving right along with sweatshirts, I picked up this, it says woman, I guess. That's WMN is what that says on there. Oversized black hoodie. And this is from the women's section, so it's a little bit different fitting than you'll see from the men's, but it is a size medium, basic women's oversized hoodie. And it's just a good basic black hoodie. You need black hoodies for the fall and winter. You need a bunch. So just grab a bunch, oversized, they go with everything. I'll show you how I did them a few different ways in the video, but they look great under peacoats, and they're just a really good layering piece. And I feel like for those days when you don't know what to wear, but you're freezing, and you don't know, like you're too overwhelmed to pick an outfit, black hoodie is always a staple for me. And yeah, and the women's size fits pretty good. I will say that I mostly like to buy men's clothing because I feel like they always make the hoodies too small for women. I don't know why, they think we have smaller heads or something. This next piece is another Gildan. This is a hoodie. The first one I showed you was a crew neck. This one is a hoodie. It is also a men's large. And again, the quality is amazing. I like the quality of these Gildan sweatshirts more than I like the BooHoo ones. And I believe that they're cheaper. I'll link some down below where you can get them directly from their websites. But these are amazing. And they're the kind of sweatshirts that you can wash like 50 times and they probably just get more comfortable. So that's this one. Moving on to sweatpants. I picked up a bunch of basic sweatpants from BooHoo because I usually like the fit. And I got these gray sweatpants in US size 4 in women's, and they're just gray standard sweatpants. I'm not sure how well they're gonna wash, but I always get them from BooHoo and I end up getting like 2 or 3 pairs throughout the year, and then I just throw the old ones away. Eventually I'll go up to like maybe a talentless level sweats, but if you're still toying around with plain sweats all the time, just get them from BooHoo. They're super inexpensive and they last like a few times, so you can wear them for a few months and they're still good and they're super cheap. So I also love the elastic band. These ones do not have a tie, and the bottom has an elastic band as well, and they fit really well. I will say they're a little bit short, which is why I tend to buy from the men's section because the men's section is always long enough. And I picked up these same sweatpants in black, and they're also a US 4. I probably, looking at the fit now, would get a US 6, but I mean, they still fit, I'll still wear them. It's just preference over how oversized you like your clothing. I'm 5'9" for reference, so they're always a little short on me. But the black is actually better quality than the gray. They're a little thicker, and I just like that they're so basic and they don't have, you know, if you're not gonna get expensive sweatpants, it's kind of good that the tie's not there because the tie can make it look cheap if it's not done well. So these are perfect for the next like 2-3 months. The next piece I've been looking for a long time. It is a padded shoulder, like muscle tank. I got one of these a few months ago from a different brand and I hated it. Like it just didn't fit right. But then I grabbed this one from BooHoo in a size, let's see what size is, US 6, which was perfect. And this is perfect. You can wear this with or without a bra. The lowness of the armhole and the elastic waist, I think, is what is major key with the shoulders, because the shoulder pads make your shoulders look wider, so it makes your waist look smaller. So the cinch waist really helps like create that shape. And I think this is a great staple to have because you can wear it underneath anything and it still looks chic because it's all black, and the shoulder pads add like that structure. So I highly recommend this, and this was super cheap. I also picked up one of these. So I've been seeing these all over the internet. And a few years ago I did this. I had something like this with a hoodie, and I only ended up wearing it like twice, right? Because it's kind of like not convenient. So I don't really think buying an expensive version of these makes sense. I think you'll probably wear it like once, twice, maybe 3 times during the season. But the thing I do like about these, they're called arm warmers, is that you can wear your bra tops, like your expensive bra tops, and throw this on top. And you can still wear them in the winter and get away with it, and then a big jacket on top. So I do think it's cool. The color isn't my favorite color. I wish it was a little less yellow and a little more like this color. See the difference? But I still do think it looks cute with black, and I'll definitely wear it for some Instagram photos. It's like, if nothing else, it's definitely different, and I like that a lot. And I got a size medium. And if I was gonna buy it again, I would get a size large. This next piece I think might be one of my favorite ones from the entire haul, from BooHoo. It's a size medium, and it is a sweatshirt, and it says Chicago on it. These collegiate style crew necks are really popular right now, and there's no need to splurge and spend like $70 when you can find them on inexpensive websites. And it's a really good white color. I love the text and how big it is, and it's super oversized and covers your butt, which is amazing. You can wear it with your leather leggings, your vinyl leggings, and like any standard legging actually at all, sweatpants, skirts, over a dress. They're like the most versatile piece, so grab an oversized crew neck. Collegiate is very in style, but honestly, grab any color because they're a great layering piece. The next 2 pieces are from Princess Polly, so they're a little bit more expensive, but this piece is like it's a cropped polo long sleeved shirt in cream, and the buttons are like imitation wood, like they're not real wood, but they look like wood. And the material is amazing. It's super thick. It almost feels like sweatshirt material. I'll be wearing this a ton. I think this will last a long time. And this is a US 4. and I absolutely love this. It's a great layering piece. This polo, again, like the collegiate and preppy look is really in right now, so the collar on this will be amazing underneath so many different things. You can layer it, say put like a hoodie over it and have the collar sticking out. Would be really cute with a skirt, with vinyl leggings, with leather leggings, over a dress. You can honestly wear this with everything. To go with that, I also wanted to pick up a plaid skirt, and I can't really go cheap on plaid skirts because I have kind of a bigger hip area. So if you have bigger hips, wearing a pleated skirt is difficult because it kind of flares out, which you'll see in the attached video. But this one fits pretty well, and it is a size US 4 from Princess Polly. I love the blue, black, and like gray checkered of it. I feel like it's still a really good neutral, and it's super cute, and I'll definitely be able to wear this in summer and spring as well. And I've been wearing these, well, I wanna wear these with hoodies, crew necks. This Princess Polly shirt looks really cute together. This would also look cute, honestly, look. These would look cute together, like the hoodie and the skirt. Pretty much anything on this rack would actually match this, which is kind of the idea of the entire haul, that everything goes together. And you can wear this with your, what are they called, loafers that everyone's getting right now, like the Prada loafers. You can find dupes at Zara or BooHoo, wherever, and they have great dupes there, and you can wear that with these and high socks and like a collared shirt or a sweatshirt or a crew neck, a long jacket. Honestly, this is a great layering piece. Going more into jackets, or like transitional jackets, this first one is from BooHoo, and this might be the most high quality piece that I got from BooHoo, and it is a US size 6. It is like an oversized tan, really thick, it's like a shacket that you can wear as a dress as well, and it has a belted belt right here, and then these really thick black buttons. I actually like this more as a jacket than I did as a dress, only because the armholes are so low that I'm tall and I can't lift my arms up without the dress coming up. So I think I'll be wearing this more as a shacket, but I love those anyway, and I styled it here as a shacket over the black hoodie that I have in this haul, and I think vinyl leggings, and it looks really chic and really cool. And honestly, this looks way more expensive than what it was. This looks like it was probably about like $150, and if you check below, it's way less than that. So no need to go splurge. It's also kind of like a men's button up, which is like, that's another really good tip for finding shackets, is like just go in the men's section and get like a large shirt and it's a shacket. The next piece was a great find from BooHoo. It is a size US 6, best, like perfect size for me because it's long and it looks expensive, and it's a black peacoat that goes almost all the way to the ground, which is almost impossible to find in a like dupe for an expensive peacoat. So this is awesome, and we'll go over everything, and it's just the black color, which I think is the, like black and camel you have to have in a peacoat because they go with everything, especially for the fall. And when you get dressed up in the fall and winter and you have no idea what to put over it because you're a little too cold, you have to get one of these just for days like that even. These also look great over hoodies, so super chic with sneakers, boots, whatever. This goes with everything. The final piece is such a good find. This is from BooHoo Man, and I got a size small because it's an oversized puffer jacket. And when I tell you the quality of this, it's incredible. Like when it's on, it looks super expensive. Definitely something I'm gonna be wearing. It's actually snowing here right now in New York, and it's going to be something I'm going to be wearing on days like today when it's freezing, but you still wanna look chic. It's very cool, and since it's oversized and it's a man's size, the arms are long enough and it goes all the way down to the ground. It looks cool with sneakers. It's more of a sporty look for sure, but it's very inexpensive. I think it's still $80 online, which is normally, that's like more than 50% off a normal one. So definitely check those out because they have different styles and colors, and it's in the men's section, which is like, it's going to fit you if you're tall. I just realized I almost forgot to mention this, my favorite tracksuit that I got from BooHoo. It's from BooHoo Man. Again, I'll put the sizes down below. It is a matching like royal blue hoodie and royal blue pants. Here's the try on, and this might be my favorite set. I think from now on I'm only going to be buying from the men's section for sweats because of how comfortable they are. The sizing is perfect for me, and yeah, they have really cool colors on there. This is like a cool, like the matching set thing is very in right now, and I didn't really realize, but the tennis club and everything with the prep, they all kind of go hand in hand. So you can get that like preppy look, but still be comfortable. So if you're not really into plaid skirts or colored shirts or anything, or collared shirts, you can get like a tennis crew neck or a tennis hoodie and still have like the inspiration of prep in your clothing without actually having to wear loafers, which is sometimes more my style anyway. Thank you so much for watching my video and watching me try on my brand new BooHoo haul with me. I hope you enjoyed everything. If you have any questions, please leave them down below and stay tuned in the next few weeks because I got a ton more clothing for the holiday season, but I won't get it until after Christmas. So stay tuned if you want to see that, and thank you so much for watching.